What's up, my good people? Welcome to ICO Reviews, and today I'll be reviewing my Miboodle. This is decentralized application enable consumers to make money online. Now, you can make money by writing blog posts, by writing articles. You can even make money through your social media. You have Facebook, you're on Instagram, you have a YouTube account. Wow, this is time for you to make money online. So I'll be taking my time to go through this ICO and let you know my thoughts about it. But before I continue, please do not forget, anything I say in this video is strictly my personal opinion. I'm not a financial advisor. Having said that, let's scroll down the website and see. And later we'll check the video for the CEO of this ICO. He said a decentralized application enabling members to build a sustainable online revenue. Miboodle is a tool that combines the best features of Steemit, IndaHash, and Flux into one platform with a token that unlocks highest commissions for members. Miboodle is integrated with Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn, enable all members to grow their social media presence and increase their earning with an increased social audience. I don't know if you know about Steemit, about some of these platforms. Many have been able to benefit by getting involved with all these platforms. I have a Steemit account myself, and I've seen the benefit of getting paid by writing blog posts, writing articles, writing reviews. And one thing is this, we have social media account and we get nothing from it. This company who owns social media account are making millions, billions of dollars from us while we get nothing. But it's time for us to take it back. Get money for being online on the internet. And one thing I also found interesting is this: with Miboodle, you don't have to be online to do all the things. Even when you are offline, you are also making money. This is really, really awesome. Now you can become a social influencer. You can have a cashback also on the things you're able to buy or service you get online. This is the roadmap. This is the token allocation for it, fund allocation, and the supply 600 million tokens is available, and the symbol is Mibo, MIBO, and there will not be any coin that will be minted apart from 600 million token. These are the team member: Len Buggies, Rob Glue, Ignatius Urab, and all the guys here, one after another. You can see them. Here are the advisors and their partners. Now, let's check our ICO bench. Now, 4.3 rating. The token is Mibo. As I said, the pre-ICO price is 0.08 cents for the ICO. Pre-ICO, the price is 1 cent. This should be for the pre-ICO, 1 cent and 8 cents for the ICO. Then they accept Ethereum, BTC, and fiat currency, that is like pounds, dollars, and other currency you may think of. And this token or platform is built on the Ethereum blockchain. They're from UK, and if you're from US, you cannot be involved in this ICO. Here is a white paper, 19 page, put together, and it's nice. So I encourage you to go through the white paper and be able to see more of what is all about. Now, you can see the video here. So many videos. I mean, I'm really impressed by the number of videos they have here. And if videos you watch get you closer to what the project is all about. But let me just go through one of them. Let me play one of the video to let you see that these guys are real. They are not scam. They are not scam. They are not scam.
My name is Len Burgess. I'm the CEO and founder of Miboodle. Miboodle is a decentralized application built on the Ethereum blockchain that...
Here is where we are going. Now, seeing this helps you to realize, help you to see that this ICO is not a scam. I mean, the CEO is here showing himself, showing his own face, making videos. He shows the authenticity of this ICO. Let's check the Telegram. 21,000 followers on their Telegram, and I mean that is okay. And this is the information about the 2017 website was registered and 2019 to expire. Now, putting all these pieces together one after another, I'm really impressed about this because, you know, in cryptocurrency world, apart from you buying token, making money from them, I mean, this makes it easier because there are some people who get involved with cryptocurrency who are newbie, so who don't have experience, and they lost money. But when you have a platform like this, you are there to make money, not to lose money for sure. You are getting money, and that encourages people. It rewards them for actions they are taking. It rewards them for spending time on the internet. And in some countries, paying for internet is very expensive. They get reward by spending time online, and they can use that money to buy data for themselves and to do good things in life. I'm really happy. We want to see more of this platform where people get reward for getting involved in cryptocurrency, where people who are poor can pave the way for success for themselves by having this kind of platform. And I'm really impressed with this. I'm okay with this ICO, and I'm ready to go with it. But don't forget, whatever I say is strictly my personal opinion. So I'm going to leave the link for this ICO down below. So just click on it and sign up for the ICO. And please, before you go, subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching my video. And until next time I come your way, this is ICO Reviews.